We're here today at the Year 10 Tasters, which is an opportunity for young people in Powys and East Talbot to look at the educational choices that are available to them post-16. The Year 10 Tasters are an opportunity for young people to decide what they might want to do, but equally it's about eliminating choices that aren't for them. The Year 10 Tasters are the first step in the transition activities that we offer to pupils in our partner schools, and we've had 14 schools and nearly 2,000 pupils attend the Tasters this year, which is a fantastic number. The Tasters are growing year on year, and next year we're confident it'll be bigger and better again.